Hello and welcome to Falma IT Training Services. I am Fifi Falma, being the principal consultant and the founder for this institution. And I just want to talk to you about terminal report systems for schools. We've worked on a generic template, which is just one Excel workbook. So when you get that workbook, you just need to enter the details of your students. And once you're done with the entries, you send it to us and we will generate a report for you at a very minimum fee. So let me quickly demonstrate what we have. Then if you're interested, I'll share a link to this particular template you download, then you make the necessary edits, then you can sign up for this particular program. Yeah, so this is the template, and very simple and straight to the point. So this is what we've done for whichever class you wish to generate a report for. The first thing you do is to come to details of students. So that's the first thing. Let's say if it's for first time you are developing or you're generating, because at the end of the 3 terms, you will generate the cumulative record for you. So you click on details of students, it takes you to where you have to enter the details. So if, let's say this is for class A of, let's say, primary 6, then I'll just type the name of the individual, which is me. Then what's the total attendance for the term? Let's say 50. Then out of the total, I was present for about 38. So the system calculates the number of absent. So which class am I currently in? Let's say 6A. And the date that this report is being generated, which is today, 5/13/2021. Then I skip, or I just write 13th May 2021, like that. Then the term, so I'm looking at term 1. The next term begins somewhere in, let's say, 1st September 2021. So once I'm done, the system automatically calculates, populate it with this by default. Then the academic year is what, 2020, 2021. And I come to what, conduct, attitude, and interest. So with the conduct, attitude, and interest, I have some, predefined list. So if you think you don't need any of these, you can just go in there, make certain changes to it. And later you come back to this session, you click on the conduct for this particular student, then you scroll up, then you pick one as a class teacher. Then interest, you go up. So you just basically have to go through this. So once you are done, what's the total raw score? So for all the subjects, let's say if it's about 10, that should be over 1,000. That's it. So you can just come in here and make changes to this particular section of the details of students. So once you finish with class A, you click, it takes you back to the dashboard. Then let's say I'm entering for class B. It takes me to class B list. Then this is where the list appears. So this is basically how you go about with the entry of the details of students for the generation of the terminal reports. You click, it takes you back. So you just have to be doing that for all the classes and for their respective subjects. So this is subject 1 for computing. So you can delete it and just type it in any order of your choice, but make sure whatever scores you are entering is for that particular class and it's for that particular subject. So that's basically it. So once you finish, let me show you the template that we've created so that you see if you can adapt it to your school or if you want certain changes made to it, we can do that for you as well. Okay, great. So this is the template. So for our template, we can just come in here. I'll give you this particular Word format to make the necessary changes. So you type the name of your school, the address, the number, the email address. Then you can change these logos, and that will be it. Then maybe we will need the signature of the head teacher. So once you send that to us, we'll fix that, or you can fix it in this particular template. So once you finish entering everything for all the respective classes in that particular form, the system will generate your 50% class score, exam score total. It will give you the grade meaning the position in that particular subject for that particular class. Then you also look at the position in that particular subject for the entire form. So if you have a form with about 5 classes, A, B, C, D, E, then you get to know the position in that form. Then teachers' initials. If you don't want it, you can just delete that particular column of this particular template. So after you finish with the entry, the system will just automatically generate the report for you. All you need to do is send us that Excel template that I showed you earlier. So I'll definitely share it with you via a link to Dropbox. You go there, you download. So that's basically it. So if you think you want to change or make changes to this particular original design, we can do it for you. So after you finish with everything, we'll get to know the respective averages for all the subjects in the class and in the entire form. So get in touch, then we'll give you a quotation, then we can work together and make the work of teachers easier. So before I go, and I know Ghana Education Service teachers are being asked to do professional development courses. So our organization has that accreditation with Certiport, where we deliver internationally recognized certification programs like the Microsoft Certified Educator. So I'm going to show you the pricing in just a moment. Okay, great. So this is our website. Then we have the Microsoft Certified Educator. So if you want to enroll, you just need to get your exam voucher and the practice test material. Then we will take you through over a 1-month period, prepare you to get certified with Microsoft. And these are some of our certification for those who have engaged with us in terms of professional development. So I just want to show this to you quickly. Then you can take a look at their certificates. And it's totally legit. It comes from Microsoft directly. So the Microsoft Certified Educator, Microsoft Office Specialist, we have the Microsoft Technology Associate, we have the IC through Digital Literacy. So if you're interested in developing professionally and improving your IT skill set to globally recognized standards, just get in touch with us and we will help you. So just take some time, go to our website, fitgh.net, and browse through our content. And I'll be on standby to clarify any issue. Thank you, and please do well to share this with a friend or with a colleague. Bye-bye.